is a byword for any prestigious material. When we think of gold, we imagine something precious. So we have tried, and it hasn't been easy, to find solutions with a high perceived value. Blue lace agate is a South American stone that is called blue lace on account of its lace-like veining. Ocean blue is a highly variegated onyx found in Iran that has distinctly variable veining. Ivory cream is a Sicilian crema marfil marble, but unlike the rest of its family, which are famous for their distinctive yellow hues, this stone stands out for the pure ivory tones of its background color. Its surface veining is subtle and rust-colored, which means it combines perfectly with the red variant of the Terra collection. To finish, there is a bronze illusion, a marble I did not even know existed. Why is it called illusion? Because it is reminiscent of the painted marble effects found in 18th century churches. At the time, to decorate churches, the clergy hired painters to create painted marble effects, an illusion that costs significantly less than real marble. The particular feature of this kind of marble is that it can be reproduced in any warm tone, from brown to beige, even if it has a hint of blue.